Welcome to the particular subject or particular course on the management of fixed income securities. So, this course will deal with the various instruments which are traded in the market with respect to the fixed income securities. So, what exactly the fixed income securities are? This basically include the bonds, the derivatives instruments based on the different type of fixed income securities like interest rates or credit default swap or credit derivatives in general what we can say. Then as well as also it will deal with the other instruments like the mortgage backed securities and the asset backed securities. Overall, this course will discuss about the different valuation techniques and the management of risk what the investors always come across whenever they invest in this fixed income securities market. So, further this course will basically analyze the term structure of interest rates, the different valuation techniques with respect to bonds, the yield concepts like term to maturity, the yield to maturity, then we have the yield to call, yield to put, then as well as the concept of the total return or realized return. Further, we will go and discuss about the derivation of the spot rate yield curve, what we call it the theoretical yield curve. Then we go for the forward rate yield curve. Then it will also discuss about the nitty-gritty of all the markets with respect to the fixed income securities within India and as well as the across the globe, like your government securities market, then corporate securities market or corporate bond market. Then we have the mortgage backed securities market, which includes the residential based mortgage backed securities and commercial mortgage backed securities. Then we also discuss about the valuation techniques with respect to the derivatives instruments like interest rate derivatives, credit default swap and other things. Then also it will discuss about the valuation techniques or the valuation methods of the bonds which have the embedded options. And in that case, we are going to estimate the binomial tree, and after discussing the binomial tree, we will come across the different bond portfolio strategy, because all of you know that whenever the investor invests in the market, they basically always follow certain kind of strategy to maximize the return or to minimize the risk. So, we have the passive strategies, we have the active strategies, we have the strategy called the immunization. So, we will discuss that how that particular strategies this investor will adopt or generally adopt, and as well as we will see that how those particular strategies are going to manage the risk in this particular market. So, overall this course will give you a broad idea or the comprehensive idea about the trading of the all the fixed income securities which are traded in the market, and as well as the different type of risk what we face whenever we invest in this particular market, and also we will see that how those particular risks can be managed by the different type of portfolio strategy what this investor generally adopt using this fixed income securities which are available in this particular market segment. So, after going through this particular course, you will have a broad idea or a comprehensive idea about this investment process in the fixed income securities, the technical concepts which are associated with this fixed income securities, all those technical concepts which are associated with this particular markets, these are very much important from the investment perspective, and also you learn all those type of valuation techniques or the what are the different sources of the cash flow and other things whenever we complete this particular course. So, this course will be helpful for practitioners and as well as the MBA students and also the people who are interested to invest in the bond market. Hope it will be a good learning process, or you will get the overall idea about these particular instruments whenever you complete this course. Hope you will enjoy these particular sessions whenever you will enroll this particular course, and it will be very much interesting for you to understand the all those kind of issues which are related to the fixed income securities market. Thank you.